Hello students, I am Gnaneshwara TN, Assistant Professor of English. In the previous session, I had told you the summary of the story Engine Trouble written by R.K. Narayan. In this session, I am going to tell you themes and literary devices employed in the story. In the story Engine Trouble, we have the themes of practicality, authority, responsibility, hope, luck, purpose, and nature. Practicality. The narrator wins the road engine but fails to carry it home. To own the road engine is not practical for him. It is of no use for him, and all the narrator can do is hope that somebody will either buy the road engine of him or that he might be able to give it away to somebody. There is also a subtle comment that people in authority who could make life a lot easier for the narrator do not do so. It is a systemic failure on all fronts. The municipality ordered him to remove it from the ground, otherwise they would charge him rent. He paid 10 rupees per month as rent. The narrator's second piece of luck comes through the Swamiji. When the Swamiji was preparing for his last performance, that is the road engine to run over his chest, a police inspector came into the crowd with a brown envelope in his hand. He told that the magistrate had issued an order prohibiting the engine from running over the Swamiji. Due to the restrictions imposed on the Swamiji by the magistrate, things do not work out as planned for the narrator. For the second time, the narrator has been frustrated because of those in authority. There is no dispute that the narrator's life would be a lot easier if those in authority did not interfere with his plans. Responsibility. The narrator's family life is also disturbed because of the problems that the road engine has brought the narrator. He had to pledge a jewel or two belonging to his wife to pay the rent for the road engine. Every day his wife was asking him what he proposed to do with that terrible property, that is the road engine. He had no answer to give her. The narrator advises his wife to contact her father to take her back to her village, while he himself hopes to run away to his village, which is not a responsible action. Hope. The narrator is a middle class man struggling to rise above his origins. He hopes that the road engine represents a shift in class for him. He thought that his troubles were coming to an end. He also hopes that the road engine may fill a void in his life. Luck. At first, the narrator felt lucky to have won the road engine. Where once the narrator had huge admiration for the road engine, there is no longer the case. Luck visits the narrator three times in the form of an engine, a Swamiji, and an earthquake. At last, the earthquake resolved the narrator's problems with the road engine. At the end of the story, the narrator is a happy man who is able to heave a sigh of great relief. In the beginning, to win the road engine was his luck, but very soon it turned to bad luck. In the end, disposing of the road engine was his luck. Purpose. At last, the narrator found someone that actually wants the road engine. It is stuck at the bottom of a disused well, which helps the man who owns the well. Though the road engine never served the purpose it was meant to serve, it is still serving some purpose to somebody. The author is suggesting that everything has its purpose for somebody. The worry that the narrator showed throughout the story while he was trying to get rid of the road engine is gone. Nature. One night, an earthquake hits the town. In the morning, when the narrator visits the place where the machine stood, he finds that it was not there. The earthquake had moved the engine from its place and fitted in a disused well like a cork. What man cannot fix, nature will have a remedy on this occasion in the form of an earthquake. Complexities. All in all, engine trouble flows smoothly and gently like a beautiful silent river that looks simple on the surface but has deep undercurrents of complexities. Now we shall know the literary devices. Narrator. The story is narrated in first person by a typical ordinary citizen. The narrator is a talkative person. He was a poor man. Humor. The story is very interesting and humorous. R.K. Narayan is really a master of creating fun and laughter from ordinary life situations. The figure of Swamiji, who wants to spread his master's word through his feet, is brought under the light of humor to show how people's psyche is taken advantage of by such people. It is R.K. Narayan's ability to bring forth the comic elements present in the most grave situations. Irony. This is a story by R.K. Narayan which begins on an ironic note of how a prize won by a man proves to be an expensive headache. There is use of gentle irony in depiction of people, incidents, and places. It is also ironic that the road engine, which is meant to move, does very little movement in the story. At first, the narrator felt lucky to have won the road engine. However, the road engine caused the narrator nothing but problems. Again, R.K. Narayan shows the irony of how a calamity which destroyed whole towns bears good tidings for the owner of the engine. The author is suggesting that luck can be a double edged sword, and the reality may be that rather than being lucky, an individual may experience nothing but bad luck. Dear students, let us recall what we have learnt in this session. The story Engine Trouble is narrated in first person by a typical ordinary citizen. The story is very interesting and humorous. There is use of gentle irony in depiction of people, incidents, and places. In this story, we have the themes of practicality, authority, responsibility, hope, luck, purpose, and nature. To own the road engine is not practical for the narrator. He hopes that the road engine may be a shift in class for him. People in authority who could make life a lot easier for the narrator do not do so. The narrator advises his wife to contact her father to take her back to her village, while he himself hopes to run away to his village, which is not a responsible action. In the beginning, to win the road engine was his luck, but very soon it turned to bad luck. In the end, disposing of the road engine was his luck. What man cannot fix, nature will have a remedy. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.